everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic in the sleek 46mm black color with LTE connectivity. Let's jump right in and see what this smartwatch has to offer. The box looks very premium, just as expected from a company like Samsung. Let's cut it open. Right out of the box, the watch looks stunning. We'll just keep it aside and see what other things are there in the box. There is a manual for the watch. This is a charging cable. So this is a USB cable with a magnetic charger. So this is wireless charging. Take a closer look. So the 46mm size is perfect for those who prefer a larger watch face. The display looks very crisp and vibrant. I love the physical rotating bezel. It adds a touch of class and functionality. The watch comes with LTE connectivity, bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor for body composition analysis, optical heart rate sensor, health monitoring features such as advanced sleep analysis. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and check my other videos too. Until next time, goodbye.